Did you know two young princes vanished from a tower and their disappearance changed English history forever? In 1483, 12-year-old Edward V became King of England after his father died. But Edward's uncle Richard was supposed to protect him until he came of age. Instead, Richard declared both Edward and his 9-year-old brother illegitimate. He locked them in the Tower of London and crowned himself king. The boys were last seen playing in the Tower Gardens. Then they simply disappeared. Rumors spread like wildfire across England. Had Richard murdered his own nephews for the throne? The whispers haunted his entire 2-year reign. Centuries later, workers found 2 small skeletons buried in the tower walls. Were these the missing princes? The mystery sparked endless debate. Was Richard a ruthless child killer, or was he framed by his enemies? Shakespeare turned him into history's greatest villain, but the truth remains buried with those bones. 2 children vanished, and their fate became one of the most controversial royal mysteries ever told.